Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a big one, my man. I need better boots.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here. Very happy to be back in my workshop, and some of my new tools also arrived. So the first thing I'm thinking to do is get myself a decent table to work and weld, because right now I just have this about 12 years old. Yeah, this table has been with me for 12 years and it's very narrow, not good for welding, especially having a wooden top. So I don't have much new material, that is new iron and stuff, and I'm a kind of guy that who do not like to waste material. So I had these old office tables that we bought for one of the business that didn't go very well, and these tables have a lot of iron, as you can see. Iron frame. I'm thinking I'll just salvage nice parts out of these and turn this into a nice work table for metalworks and a welding table.
Sound right, boys.
Okay, so I got my height 4 pieces and length 4 pieces, which is the lengthier than my welding machine, because I want to keep some slack, some more space. Now this piece of wood I'm going to use to put the welding machine on, so I'm going to cut 4 more pieces for width wise, and those will give me about 2 decks in my welding table. I can cut more to get more decks. Let's see how things go. I can always cut more pieces to get more decks.
It sound right, boys.
Now that is what we call improvement by practice, and keep on working. Persistence for self-learning the welding skill. These are as much identical as I could do. Man, I'm so happy. I've never made squares so nice than these before. Almost identical. Just maybe a millimeter or 2 millimeter difference somewhere, but well, it's time to join them to make the cart for welding machine. Once the cart is done, then comes the folding part of the work table. Alright, the dhancha, that's what we said, is skeleton is ready. And now I just need to decide where am I going to put the section for installing my welding machine in. Alright, now I have to weld all the joints nicely because the skeleton is looking good. And I salvaged some old wheels with locks. They're very good quality wheels. I put them on my workbench for woodworking workshop, as I have moved here and I'm building a new table, so I thought I'll just use them instead of buying new wheels.
Sound right, boy.
So this is going to be the part of my folding table. This will add right here so that it can fold down and fold up. Okay, and oh, alhamdulillah, what a nice fit, man, mashallah. And now I just found that this thing is actually exactly the size that I need, so I'll just use this as a measurement. I believe if I want to use all scrap metal, I will have to go with this one piece of door that I picked from my best friend's house because he's just throwing these away. I also picked that big piece, which can actually become a table or a cabinet itself. This door is actually from that piece, but I can fix, because this door is about the same measurements. Lucky me, I mean, things are just happening by luck, So I just have to, shed a little bit of iron out of it, and it will fit right. And then remaining place, I have this scrap which I can fit.
It sound right, boys.
And now, move this thing around wherever I want, and when I'm done moving it around, I can lock the wheels and unfold. Get ready to work. The height of the table is exactly the way I want it, because I don't like, bending over and doing work. My back always gets painful. So this is exactly the height that I want. I can stand and work on it. I laser carved something which I cannot see clearly, but anyway, I put this metal plate here just for the laser carving stuff. Now I just need to clean it off, scrap all the color from this part so that, you know, electrodes and welding can work, the current can go through. And rest is just a cosmetics job. Just need to color that part and leave this part naked. I mean, I'll scrap everything off because this part needs the current to go through for my welding.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?